Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Cattail Create, and I am coming today with a VR response to Becky's 300 plus giveaway challenge. Yes, she has reached over 300 subscribers, and she is having a giveaway challenge. So she's asking for a few items, and one of them is a memory dex card. So this is my memory dex card. Look at how cute. I stickled some of the ears, the bunny, and the leaf, and I just love how it came out. So anyway, check out her channel. I will link her channel down on the description below, so you could check out her channel and follow her instructions for this giveaway. Anyways, thank you everybody for taking the time to watch this video, and thank you Becky for the opportunity. You guys, everybody have an awesome day. See you later. Bye.